Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today is our first embroidery class, and I'll be teaching you all the run stitch or the running stitch. So for that we'll have to take a needle and a thread. You can take any thread you want, any embroidery thread. Just do not take silk because it will be difficult to work with as a beginner. So I have taken the needle. I generally prefer to use a thicker and a taller needle. You can use the needle of your own preference. And I have taken the thread, and this is the eye of the needle, the roundish gap, and we'll just pass the thread through the needle, pull it a little, and the thread that is pulled will only hang very little, okay, like this, and the other end is the longer one with a knot at the end, which is used to secure our embroidery. So for the run stitch, I've already drawn a line just for your understanding. So we'll begin like this. We'll take the needle at the back of our embroidery hoop. This round thing that you see is an embroidery hoop, and we place the needle at the beginning point of our line and pull it upwards. Bring it forward and push it back downwards. Now we take a little gap in the between, a very small gap, and repeat the process again. Pull it upwards, bring it forwards, and push it down. Now we have to be mindful about the stitch lengths and the gaps. All the gaps that you will be doing in this stitch must be of the same length, and all the stitches that you'll be doing in this embroidery must be of the same length too. Obviously there are exceptions, but this is the general rule. Again, we repeat the process. We take a little gap, pull it upwards, bring it forwards, and push it down. It's very simple, though in the beginning it can be difficult, crooked. That's okay, that's all a part of the process, and we have all been there when we begin something. So we'll repeat that again. Take a little gap, taking a little gap, and then pulling the needle upwards, bringing it forwards, and pushing the needle down. If you are someone who lives in Bengal, or if you are acquainted with the crafts of Bengal, you will be witnessing this particular embroidery in many of our works. Like in Bengal, the Katha stitch is very reputed and extremely used, and it's one of my most favorite stitches. Now we do the same. Take a little gap, push the needle upwards, bring it forwards, and push it down. That's how you finish the entire stitch. Now, how do we secure an embroidery? Now, for example, if I say that my embroidery ends here, how will I secure it? I'll show you the back of the hoop. Okay. You can see it clearly. Now the last stitch, we take the needle, okay? We're taking the needle and pushing our needle into the last stitch very gently, pulling it upwards, and making a knot. You can also put one more knot if you want to, and I think that's the best because it helps in a better way of securing. Now I'll take off the hoop. That's how it looks. So now when you practice at home, draw any motif of your choice and practice this embroidery. Fill the motif with this particular embroidery using any color of thread you want to. So yeah, that's the end of my video. I'll meet you in embroidery class 2, where I'll be teaching you another very interesting stitch. Happy embroidering. Goodbye.